All right, so this is Mexi. I'll be using Mexi for my futures trading. So once you want to trade futures, first off, you have to send some funds to futures. For now, I already have USDT in futures, but just for tutorial purpose. So you have to transfer some assets. You can see USDT here on spot. So you say from spot to futures. So you have to send some amounts. Let's just say I already have, but you can just put any amount you want to transfer there. Say maybe 10, then you transfer it. You click on transfer to futures account. So once it's there now, you have to click on these features down here. You open it. So this is where you select any coin you want to trade. Like now, let's say, but this is what I want to use for this tutorial purpose. I want to use proof USDT. So but in case there's another one you want to use, you can select it. Once you click on that place, it will show you list of coins, and just ensure that it's with USDT. In case you're trading with USDT, ensure it's that coin slash USDT. You understand? So if it's USDC you want to trade with, ensure it's proof slash USD. You can see them. So you can see mostly it's USDT that I trade with, so it should be any coin slash USDT. So I'm using proof for the sake of this tutorial purpose. All right, so it's opening. So this is it here. So for this I mostly use isolated, though some people say cross is better, but most times I already know the margin I'm using, so I just prefer using isolated. I don't know why, but that's for me. But some persons believe that cross trading is best, but I use isolated. So let's move ahead. So this is where you set your leverage. Is more like maybe I'll teach this, so I will not elongate the video. I'll teach this later, but mostly I use 12 to 20 leverage. That's what I mostly use. So now, setting your trade, you can already see it's already on limits. So limit means I want to set how much I want to enter this trade on. Like now the current price is 1.017, but what I want to enter at is 0.0593. This is what let me just say 63. Yes, so I would want to enter my trade. You can see I have 14 USDT available. So, and I want to use about 11 USDT to enter this trade on 12 times leverage. You can see. So I've already selected the amount I want. You can see it here, 11 USDT. Then I have to set my take profits. You can see my take profits, I'm setting it to 1.0196. You can see the profits I'll be expecting is around $5.37 profit. If it should buy at 1.0633, then sell at, that's if it comes down, because it's short. I want to short. Short means selling, open short. So if you want to long, you can also long. If you are longing, then the price should be lower than the current price, and you are predicting that it will go up. That's just what long means. But if it's short, then it means you are predicting that the price will come down. So as you can see, I've already set my price at 1.0633, saying, so I want to short here. I want to short from that 1.0633. Let me complete this money to 14. I'm using everything. So my profit should be around $7 plus if it should buy at that 1.0633 and selling at this 1.0196. Okay, you can see I'm about to open the trade. I'm opening shorts now. You can see, so they will show me my liquidation price should be, if it gets to 1.111415, that's when they will liquidate me. That liquidation means, okay, you already know I'm opening the trade at 1.0633. If it gets to that price, it will buy, it will open the trade. When it's open the trade, it will now start counting. And you know what I'm opening in short, I'm predicting that it will go down. So if it's buy at that 1.0633 and the price is coming down, I'll be on gain. But if it keeps going up after it's bought at that price, then it means I'll be losing. And if it keeps going up and get to 1.1415, that means they will liquidate me. All the money I used to enter there will vanish. Do you understand? So it will just disappear. It means that I've lost that one. But if it's buy at that 1.0633 and now start coming down to 1.0196, that's the price that I'm setting for it to close at that point and give me that gain of $7 plus. You understand? So I will do more of this video again to explain very well for you guys to understand, but this is the basic way of opening futures trading. You already know. So I will just say open short. So it has submitted. It will be on order because it has not gotten to that price that I said for it to buy. Remember I said when it gets to 1.0633, that's when it will buy. Then the trade will now start reading. Once it starts reading, it will come to this position. This is where you now see it counting my gain, or if I'm losing, you will see it counting that I'm losing here. Always remember to say, I didn't set stop loss because I don't mostly use stop loss, but it's important to set your stop loss and your take profit. But mostly I already know just like I told you guys, it's mostly scalp trading that I do. So I mostly take profits and I don't think I'll get to stop loss, but it's possible that I can get to stop loss, but I don't set it because I'm just going in with some particular amount of USDT that, okay, I'm okay. Even if I lose it, it won't get to me much. But setting take profit and stop loss is very important. And I already told you, this is where you set your take profit, and this is where you set your stop loss. Good.